Welcome to English Conversation Hub. In this video, you'll learn simple and practical English used in real office situations. Today's topic, how to explain to your manager why you came late, politely and confidently. These are easy sentences and natural conversations you can use at work. Watch till the end and improve your spoken English step by step.
Good morning. You are late today. Good morning, sir. I am really sorry for coming late today. What happened? This is not the first time this month. I understand, sir. I want to explain the reason. Go ahead. I left home on time today. Then why the delay? There was very heavy traffic on the way. Traffic is common. Was there anything else? Yes, sir. There was a road blockage due to an accident. Did you inform anyone from the team? Yes, sir. I informed my team as soon as I could. At what time did you message them? Around 9:15 a.m., sir. You were supposed to be here by 9:30. I know, sir. The public transport was also delayed today. Which transport do you use? I take the bus, sir. Was the bus late as well? Yes, sir. It arrived much later than usual. This affects work and meetings. I understand, sir. I take responsibility for this delay. This should not become a habit. I agree, sir. It will not happen again. What will you do to avoid this next time? I will plan better and leave earlier. How much earlier? At least 20 minutes earlier, sir. That sounds reasonable. I respect office discipline and punctuality. All right. Have you started your work? Yes, sir. I have already started working. You have a deadline today. Can you manage it? Yes, sir. I will complete my tasks on time. You lost some time today. I will make up for the lost time, sir. Okay. I appreciate that. Thank you for your understanding, sir. Please be careful in the future. Yes, sir. I assure you this won't repeat. All right. You may get back to work now. Thank you, sir. I appreciate your patience.
If you enjoyed this real-life English conversation, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Conversation Hub for more daily English practice.